But it's important to realise that your mirrors don't give you the full picture. There are big areas around your car that you can't see by looking through your windscreen or by checking in your mirrors. These are blind spots. Let me show you. Now, looking straight ahead, obviously I'm clearly visible to you. But as I move around this way, can you still see me in your peripheral vision?
Yep.
Let me know when you can't see me anymore.
Now.
I'm in her right-hand blind spot. She can't see me looking forward, and she can't see me in her mirrors. Until I move right over to...
Now.
here.